Everyone talks about AI. But what's the real difference between machine learning and deep learning? They sound similar, but they work very differently. Let's break it down. Think of machine learning like teaching a student with notes. You give the computer data. You tell it what to look for. And the model learns patterns from that. Machine learning works especially well with tabular data, things like rows and columns, sales data, user info, prices, scores. For example, email spam detection. We tell the system to look at words, links, and send a behavior. Based on that, it decides spam or not. Now deep learning is different. It's a subset of machine learning, but much more powerful. Here, we don't tell the computer what to look for. We just give it a lot of data. Using neural networks, the model learns features by itself. That's why deep learning shines with images and videos. Like face recognition. First it learns edges. Then shapes. Then full faces, automatically. So what's the key difference? Machine learning works well with small to medium datasets, especially tabular data. Deep learning needs huge amounts of data, like images and videos. Machine learning is easier to train and explain. Deep learning is more accurate, but needs powerful hardware, like GPUs. Use machine learning for simpler problems, predictions, recommendations, classification on tables. Use deep learning for complex problems, images, video, speech, and self-driving cars. In short, machine learning learns with human guidance. Deep learning learns by itself, at scale.